Samsung is absolutely killing it. It's safe to say that the Galaxy S23 series has been a massive success so far. Samsung has recently shared the sales record for the Galaxy S23 series across different markets, and well, they are breaking records. Starting with India, which is one of the biggest smartphone markets in the world, Samsung has delivered almost twice the pre-orders compared to the Galaxy S22 series. In Samsung's home country South Korea, we have seen about 8% increase in sales. Looking at the Europe, we have sales report from France where S23 pre-orders have been almost double compared to last year in the same time period. In Latin America, Samsung has seen almost 50% higher pre-orders for the S23 lineup compared to the previous generation. Looking at these numbers, we can safely say that Samsung's hard work is paying off. Now, Samsung has yet to announce the sales numbers in the US, which is the market where the S23 series is keeping the same price as last year's model in order to give the iPhones the full challenge. Considering how it's done in the rest of the world, I can expect good things for this market as well. Also in the news, Samsung is finally doing what no company has done, and that is making Android gaming great again. Samsung has revealed at MWC that they are actively involved in collaborating with game developers to bring games with ray tracing. In case you don't know, ray tracing was one of the biggest additions to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. As good the hardware may be, we don't have games out there to fully take advantage of the new processor, which is why Samsung is going out of their way to collaborate with game developing studios to bring ray tracing titles for Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and beyond Android devices. Also in the news, Samsung and Apple's relationship will have another big addition. Samsung already makes iPhone display, and soon they will be making displays for the iPad as well. Yes, Apple is currently pushing Samsung for a special 2-stack OLED display for the next iPad. This might be the brightest and sharpest OLED display on any tablet out there, even more than Samsung's own tablet series, just like they did for the iPhone, now on iPad. Most orders will go to Samsung, but some orders will be done by LG. Now in other news, Exynos is back. Don't worry, it's not coming to the Galaxy S series, but it is coming to Samsung's most selling smartphone successor that is soon to be announced, the Galaxy A54. The chip inside this phone is going to be the Exynos 1380 chip with some decent improvements, more notably to the camera ISP. It now supports up to 200 megapixel sensor and can have 64 megapixel sensor with zero shutter lag. Now that Samsung has shown its epic optimization tricks on the Galaxy S23 series with One UI 5.1, Galaxy A54 could deliver incredible real-life performance despite having a mid-range Exynos processor. Now speaking of processor, the new rumor further confirms that Samsung is indeed working on a dream chipset for their own phones, but it will not come out anytime soon, not until 2025. Until then, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and 8 Gen 4 will be handling the S24 and the S25 series. So there we go, Samsung's hard work is paying off for the S23 series with incredible battery, great performance, great design. So far there has not been any controversy. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to click that subscribe button. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.